basically all the dirty blood, as I've been calling it, the deoxygenated blood, the D blood, dirty blood, you know. It is going to come from the body into the inferior and superior and inferior vena cavas. Just above the superior vena cava, we have the brachiocephalic veins. This is the right and the left, because it's not the right arm, this is our left arm. And then it's going to go into the right atrium. This is your right auricle, A-U-R-I-C-L-E. So into the right atrium, and then from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. These were, tell me guys, the tendinate, something like that.
It's called the right ventricular valve.
There you go. Use that. So the tricuspid valve or the right atrioventricular valve. This is papillary muscle. It's then going to leave the right ventricle into the into the pulmonary trunk through the pulmonary semilunar valve. Then it leaves from the pulmonary trunk to the lungs through the, what is this called, guys? The
pulmonary arteries.
So it leaves here to the lungs. It's going to then bring back our healthy oxygenated blood through the pulmonary veins. And into the left atrium.
You're getting in my picture.
It's picture in picture.
No, I'm getting her hand in my picture.
So left atrium through the bicuspid, aka mitral valve, into the left ventricle, and then it's going to lead the left ventricle through here, which is the aortic semilunar valve. And we're going to go through the ascending aorta, through the aortic arch, which then leads to the body through the brachiocephalic artery, which is going to come up and then split off into two. One's going to go to the brachium, the other to the head through the carotid canal, and then it becomes the external and internal. It becomes the external and internal carotid. One goes to the face, which is the external, and the internal into the brain. And then the next one is the common carotid, which is going to also go through the carotid, and then internal and external. And then the third one is the subclavian artery. And that one, is that the one that splits to the vertebral and all that good stuff? So that one's going to split into vertebral, and then also to
one portion goes to the vertebral artery, and then the rest goes to the axillary, and then
starts to break down, and then follows the nerves that we learned last time. And then this is the descending aorta, which is going to then supply the lower half of the body. So then you need to go to your textbook, to page whatever it is we was looking at, and to see the body and all the splits from there.